Most smartwatches these days try to pack everything in. Step counts, weather updates, maybe a heart rate graph or two, but not many take blood pressure seriously. You get a green light blinking on the back and that's about it. So when we came across the Wellue Smart Blood Pressure Watch, it was clear this one's built differently. We tried it, used it daily, and in this video, we'll show you how it works. From setup to testing, and everything in between, watch till the end to see if this could fit into your daily life. So the box comes neat. You slide it open and inside sits the watch, already looking sleek and lightweight. Underneath you'll find a magnetic charger, a user manual, and a quick start guide. Everything's laid out clean so you won't feel lost. Once you lift the watch, the first thing you'll notice is the band. It's soft and slightly thicker on one side. That's because the inflatable micro aircuff is built into it. It doesn't look bulky, and once worn, you barely feel it. You charge it up, power it on, and it's ready to pair via Bluetooth. The manual guides you to download the app, but we'll keep that short. The app syncs all the readings, customizes the watch face, and sets reminders. Easy enough. Now comes the real part, using the blood pressure feature. Let's walk you through it like we did it ourselves. Put the watch on your left wrist. Make sure there is enough space. 2 finger widths from the base of your palm is what the guide suggests. Not too tight, not too loose. You want to be able to slide 1 or 2 fingers under the strap. Then sit down, rest your arm on a table, and make sure the watch is at heart level. Stay calm, don't talk, don't move. Give it a moment. Now swipe left on the dial, the screen changes. The micro air cuff starts inflating. You can feel a light pressure, just like a traditional cuff at a clinic. Wait for it to deflate. Within seconds, your blood pressure reading appears. Clear, color-coded, and ready to save. This is called the oscillometric method, the same technique used in professional devices. It tracks the oscillations in blood flow, giving you a more reliable result than those optical sensors. But here's a tip. Your position, posture, even your breathing, those matter. So don't just test randomly. Sit, wait a few minutes, then start. Consistency helps. We did notice one thing. During very active days, or if the strap wasn't worn just right, the reading would sometimes prompt us to retry. It's not an error, but a small learning curve. Once you know how to wear it properly, it works like clockwork. And that brings us to one of its helpful features, timed monitoring. You can set scheduled readings throughout the day. That way, it captures the natural rise and fall of your blood pressure. No need to remember, it just checks, logs, and you can share it later with your doctor if needed. It also averages every 3 readings to make it more accurate. No manual work needed from your side, and because the watch is FDA cleared, you're not just tracking, you're relying on something that's medically approved. That gives you peace of mind. Now you might be wondering, what else does it do? Plenty. The Wellue watch handles the basics too. Heart rate monitoring runs in the background all day. Blood oxygen levels? Just 1 tap. No restriction or uncomfortable tightness. You get continuous data, without that worn-out feeling you get from chunky fitness bands. For those who move a lot, the watch tracks exercise as well. Whether you're into yoga, training, running, or just walking outdoors, it records the time, reps, and even calories. Over 30 activities to choose from. It's not meant to replace a full-fledged sports tracker, but it covers enough for your everyday routines. Oh, when you raise your wrist, you'll see the time, the weather, or notifications from your phone. Messages, calls, even social media alerts. You won't miss anything important. Battery life. Impressive. We got almost a full week of use with regular testing. If you go lighter, just heart rate and casual checks, it can last up to 15 days on standby. Charging is quick too with the magnetic charger. And when it comes to style, you're not stuck with one look. You can customize the dial face, even upload your own photo through the app. It's subtle, but useful. So, after using it, we can say this isn't just another smart fitness band, pretending to be a medical tool. It's an actual blood pressure monitor, built right into a watch you can wear every day. The inflatable air cuff makes all the difference, but it's not perfect. You'll need to get used to wearing it properly. And there will be a few retries if you're not seated or positioned right, but once you adjust, the process feels natural, like checking the time. So if you're someone who needs to keep track of blood pressure regularly and seriously, but without carrying a separate monitor, this fits in your life. It doesn't try to impress with gimmicks. It works, it stays on, and it tells you what's really going on with your body. Quietly, simply, and consistently. That's what matters most. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next hands-on video. Got any questions or thoughts about the Wellue blood pressure watch? Drop them in the comments, we'd love to hear from you.